Hey everyone, this is Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair. Today I'm going to show you how we repair this Audi S4 rear quarter panel without doing any kind of painting or body work. Repaired this 100% of the way using the paintless dent repair method. The customer did not want to have this quarter panel cut off and then replaced. Very invasive measures, so they chose paintless dent repair. You can see some glue pulling going on there where we get a bulk of the metal out. And then we kind of manipulate slowly from the backside, as you can see there in the lighting. You see that metal moving with different specialized tool rods from the backside of the panel. We're using factory access holes, and here you can see there's what's called blending being done, where we're actually slowly sending vibrations through the panel, sending the metal back to its original position. That's kind of like the I would say towards the end of the repair. There you can see it is an Audi S4, and here's the end result. We had a really happy customer. I will say I definitely earned my money on this one because it took me probably about a good solid 10 hours on this one here to make this look as good as it does. And needless to say, this customer is really pleased. We put the bumper back on, and this vehicle was ready to roll out same day. And if you have any more questions about paintless dent repair, feel free to reach out at 386-216-5185, or if you want to log on to cfldentrepair.com, you can check out other videos. Very informative over there, and I really appreciate you stopping by to become educated about the very valuable paintless dent repair method. When it's performed at a high level, we can achieve these kind of results. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.